We grew up in Europe, in Belgium, and we came over 15 years ago. We've always lived in Acton. 3 years ago, we basically decided to actually build a house, and we always want to have a sustainable house. So sustainability was really part of the design of the house. I'm an electrical engineer by education, so I did do a lot of research myself, and I quickly found out that so there are so many different solutions out there, and being in touch with an organization or with people who can actually help you along the way makes total sense.
I felt like we really explored every option, and a reason why I like working for altE, it's nice to not be tied to a single brand, and I didn't feel like we were really restricted. We were just able to look at all the options fairly objectively and say, okay, let's think about each of these and figure out what makes most sense.
I didn't want to be actually biased or steer towards one specific solution or one specific vendor. And that's how I came in contact with altE and specifically Nathan. There are many different solar panels, there are many different inverters, there are many different solutions. I actually never had the feeling that I was actually pushed towards a specific direction. I was very well educated why I should go for something. I enjoy that process because it educated me a lot in terms of how to approach it. It is complex, so yeah, I think you have to do your homework, and finding a partner like altE really helped that journey.